Welcome guys back to my channel. Today you join me back in my GTI Mk7, and the reason why we are here today is because my passenger side window switch is faulty, so it doesn't actually work. So I went on eBay and looked around and this product came up, so I'm going to change this switch for this eBay product. I could have gone with Volkswagen, but I just thought, let me just test this out and see if it's actually worth the money. Just bear me trying to do this with one hand. But there you go. There's the switch. Feels quite light, but the clicks and how it moves seem to be the way it should. So join me while I try and change this. I'm gonna put on time lapse, speed this up, and I'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, you join me back after changing the switch for my window. As you could see on the time lapse, it was straightforward, and at the same time it wasn't, as I didn't know exactly where all the screws were. But I can thankfully say that we finally got there in the end. Yeah, so like I said, this product, purchased it off of eBay. It felt somewhat lighter to me, but after holding the original one, there's slightly a bit more weight to it, but the functionality is 0. Obviously that is 100, so all we want is functionality. So as you can see, it all works. I'm so stoked that it's actually working. So yeah, that's basically it. So you got all you have to do is remove this cover here with a trim tool, or just be steady with a flathead screwdriver. You got a bolt to undo there, to unscrew, and you have another one down here. There's a little hole in here, there's one in there, and then all you have to do is just pull the door off and do what you need to do. I didn't really want to disconnect too much because obviously I wasn't too sure if I could put them back, so I So it might have been the long way around the way I went about it, but I knew in the end that it will save me time and problems if I can't actually put back the stuff that I took out in the endeavor to repair the switch. So yeah, that's all done now, and I'm happy about that. Thank you guys. Like I said, there's quite a few things I need to sort out in this car. So we've done this. I have an issue with the engine right now. As you can see, the engine light is on, and I periodically get this EPC limp mode come on. So that needs resolving before I can even do any cosmetic mods and stuff like that where I really want to go. I want to do the alloys, I want to do the kit on it. I just want it to look menacing, and I want to do the exhaust and obviously the intake. What else? I want to upgrade the headlights on it because I'm not entirely happy with the ones that I have. As you can see, they look somewhat dated, but yeah, so I need to do upgrade the headlights, get some matrix ones get some matrix ones perhaps, and yeah, that would be the plan. Yeah, tint down the windows. Like I said, the exhaust system needs to be done on it. What else do I want to do? Put the wing, tint down the windows, alloys, side skirt, headlights, intake. Yeah, that will be the plan essentially. And inside here, probably retrim the steering wheel. There's this bit here down the Mk7s. I believe there's I don't know if there's a recall or not, but I need to look into it. This is sharp as fuck, and it's cut me a couple of times, and I'm not impressed with it, so I don't even use this area because of that. That is a hazard in itself. I've gone on eBay and Amazon, and I can't actually find a manual trim lining for the gear stick for some reason. That makes no sense, but I'm hoping that I can phone up Volkswagen and they might have one in stock, or they can source one anyways. With regards to everything, that's more or less my problems with this Mk7 GTI before I can actually get through the whole list. So it's all gonna be a slow, painful journey, but I hope you guys stick with me, and I'll try and document as much as I can with regards to this build. This car is for YouTube essentially. I want it to be a fast road / track car if I can, so that's the idea behind it all. Yeah, the head unit, I really need to get a new head unit. I want it to be OEM, but I want it to be able to watch DVDs and stuff like that, so I need to look into that. If anyone has any ideas of what head unit, please, and any ideas of what I need to do, please just leave the comments, and I'll try and look into it, because as you might not know, I'm an engineer by trade, so I'm busy as it is with work, and I want to do this for YouTube, hence why I got this car. So yeah, so if you guys have any suggestions, I'll definitely look into it and see if we can make it happen moving forward. So thank you for joining me, and please like and subscribe, please, people. If you guys subscribe, it just shows me that yeah, I'm doing the right thing and you guys actually do like what I'm doing. So please, if you could just smash that like button, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, please, it'll be appreciated. See you on the next one. Bye, peace.